Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be taking you along with me to change out my Honeywell Home 20 by 25 by 4 filter. It's my first time doing it. We're going to climb up there to get started. And a great tip is to go ahead and write the date on the filter so that you know exactly when you changed it if you have any questions later. Alright, so this is my Honeywell Home area. It says to replace filter, ensure your air handle fan is off. Open cabinet door, remove filter, install the new Honeywell Home filter and securely shut the door. If needed, turn the air handler on. Now that it's all silent and the air fan is off, we're just going to go ahead and open this door right here so we can replace the filter. Okay, let me grab two hands here. There we go. And this is the one that came with the house, so we can see how it's positioned and can make sure the new one lines up just like that. Making sure that the airflow is facing this way. So I'm gonna slide this guy out. Ooh, this one looks super dirty. It was definitely time to change it out. They said every 6 months when I got the house, but holy cow, this thing is gross looking. Let's get the new one in there. Okay, so this is what the new one's looking like. I got it dated, and really I'm just gonna slide it right into this hole. And we're just gonna push it in. Airflow is that way, just like the old one, looking upside down. Push it all the way in, and then I'm just gonna close the door here. There you go. And on my new one, they do have where you can put the date right here to change your air filter. But I haven't always had these when I move into new homes that were pre-owned or rental homes, so writing it on your air filter is always a great idea. So this was my first time, and I'm so happy to have shared it with you. Give me a thumbs up if this helped you out, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye!